Welcome back to my channel guys, Joy of this Target Monday. As you can see, last week was a fantastic week. We had federal rate cuts also happened, which is 25 basis point, and market has behaved as expected. It was great. So I will just start in a bit and let us just see what was the last week. I'm just recording this video on Monday because we were just a little busy on Sundays and Saturdays. That is what we could not do it. So if you see here, we had federal FOMC rates just 25 basis point. So as expected, they have started down. So we are expecting 2 or 3 more cuts here by end of this 2026 September again. So let's start with again. So since now the path is clear, okay. I just want to show you something here. Yeah. When was the last time federal rate cuts happened? At this area, right? Or this area? Yeah, September. This is the first time again from 5% to they shifted to 4.75, 25 basis point cut in the last 2024. So this is after that. How did the rally go on? See, check out. Where is the See from here after federal rate cuts before here. Let me just type it so that you get it. Yeah, so if you see from this area, from this point, that was over this area. So from this area, we had a federal rate cut and market climbed down, taking the liquidity once more and started to push up. So this is what we will be for entire till that Trump 2.0 comes on here, okay, and they get stabilized on federal rate cuts. So this is where the change comes here. So similar thing now, right from this area to this area, we were holding the rate steadily, and from now on we are trying to change the rates. So I have two levels in mind. So last week, okay, before that, last week, what did I say? That market will be falling, market will be doing consolidation, and it will be falling. And exactly see the drop before the federal rate cuts. It was crazy, right? It went to 95.67. This level was given around, I think, maybe 0.6, yeah, 9. Around this level we have given in the Discord group. That was great. So after that, the rate cuts happened. It took the liquidity and started to push up. So next thing is which level we are expecting. Let me show you to here. Major pairs. If you go to DXY, so we were expecting to this level. See from here 96.45 levels. This is where the level after before the FOMC. After FOMC, we were expecting the push up. We discussed in the meeting, and we were doing live meeting for the federal rate cuts. So next, what is the case here? So I'll be so let's go to YouTube pair here, then we'll see. We'll go for DXY. So what will happen here? If you have taken this trade, really good, and now we are in a clear direction saying that Fed will be pushing up for some more time till the mid of next federal cut. Okay. So one more push down, smallly the consolidation, and one more push is coming up. So this is what we'll be expecting. If you extend the trend line, let us see whether it respects this trend line. I don't think so. This will be respected here. So I'll be after this. If it is respected, then the trend will change. But let us see how it goes. Mostly the next level it can potentially go is around this area. I'm giving the level right now. This is this area. This is the level that it can go. I can say from 105 to 10. This is a level. Let us see how far it goes, whether it is possible to go or not. But this is way too long. First, let us expect this thing over next few months over this area. This is the level that I'll be expecting here in the coming month soon, coming week soon. Okay, the first confirmation is over this area. Let us wait and see. The second confirmation is over here. If it breaks, then it will be in this level. So let's wait and see. Okay. Next, EURUSD. I was expecting market to consolidate and push up. So until this level, and see market has started to push up. If you just concentrate on this pair, right, on this move, you could have made a good profit here. Correct. So it started to push up again. and again from that federal rate cuts it has taken liquidity and started to fall. So what will be next here if you ask me? So next we'll be expecting market to push down, since we can see the correlation between euro and USD, and right temporarily we'll say market just one more small consolidation and one more push down. So this is what we'll be expecting here in EURUSD. And next GBP USD, we were expecting market to consolidate then push up, but this is the level that we were expecting, not break of this, but instead of consolidation market just tapped that level. So this is also good trade. If you have already in the buys from this level, from this area, then you have made a good profit. If not, that's no worries, we can get still more trades here. Okay. And regarding for this week, as expected, market will be consolidating the first few days, or first day or second day. Then we are expecting a small down momentum. So New Zealand USD, we are expecting a consolidation, but the consolidation has broke the top. It went, if you see here, we were expecting market to consolidate, go down. Instead of market, what did it? It went consolidating in this way and broke the top after FOMC and started to push up. What it has happened here. And now what do we expect now? Same thing, exactly the same thing. Anyway, if you go to 1 day time frame, it will be clear for you. Yeah, if I want to mark, we are expecting market to fall around this area in New Zealand USD. This is what we are seeing from quite long back. So we'll be expecting one push up then hard. So in the case of 4 hour, let me show you. Delete this, and yeah, a small consolidation upside momentum possibly to this area, then we can look for the down momentum, but let us see how it goes, whether it can push more far away or less far away. Okay. AUD-USD, we were expecting market to consolidate and push up. Instead of that, market has given a consolidation in the upward direction, and then it has started to fall. So anyway, this level again, delete this. Right now it is not valid since it didn't respect our level right now. And anyway, you know why this movement has done in all the major forecasts we have done got the same thing. So let's start with some other things which we will do. So I expect market to lack momentum here, and maybe a very small consolidation, but a down momentum is very likely to be here. Okay. And USDJPY, we were expecting market to consolidate up and after that push down. Instead of that, market has taken the level first, then it started to push up. So it is in this case anyway, the level has taken whatever the level we have mentioned here, whether it's going up or down. So one thing is this small, do not focus on this small moments, focus on the last third momentum. That is where the high momentum comes. So right now if you see, because now you know the reason for this, and see the messy structure from here to here, very messy, right? But if you can see a messy structure, but I can see some kind of patterns here forming. So what I'll be expecting is market one more small push down and pushing up to this level. So next level, this is the level which I said it has been tapped. Next level is around this area. Let us see whether it is tapping or not. 150 to 150, yeah, over this level area. It is tapping or not. Let us see in the upcoming weeks. USDCF, I was expecting market to consolidate and push down. Instead of that, market has pushed down since the dollar seems to be weak. So anyway, this trend line now it is invalidated, it has broken. So I'll be expecting, now I'll be deleting this trend line and just focusing on the next one. Since the bottom has taken now, so I expect a new formation of new structure to be possible. So this is the new formation. Let us see, but this has potentially more months to come. So let me show you the short term. The short term, I'll be expecting one more push up, then consolidation, sideways consolidation, a small or big, or more push up is coming. and gold. So gold, the 3,700 level which we were expecting, market start to tap that level. Then after that, with the federal rate cuts, it took once more the liquidity of this and started to push down. And again from this area, just without breaking this low, the protected low right now, not the horizontal line. So this is the protected. It just barely came to that and started to push up again. So new high has been taken again. So I'll come back on the gold because there are again some news picking up, like Afghanistan and Trump, USA plus Russia is getting involved. So these things are coming up. So I don't feel that gold will be going down, and despite in this rotation. So anyway, so gold is going up, and if you are in the trade, that's good. So for next week, what do you expect? We will expect only gold to push up. There's no nothing. It is about the 4,000 level. It is next level. Let me do a research and come down. So mostly 4,000 they are expecting, but before that we have long way to go. Let us see which level is in between here. Okay. Next comes Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is doing well right now. You see it is in this zone. In this zone, let's see what it does. I'm just expecting a scalping momentum. Anytime market goes up, it sells for the Nifty 50. So I'm expecting. And regarding the they have imposed 100k, correct? And mainly mostly the people are mostly Indians here. So how do they react? So I expect market to push, maybe taking liquidity up, again come back. Push maybe somewhere like that, and this is what I'll be expecting the Nifty 50. And BTC, I was expecting market to consolidate and push up. It has pushed up, but not to my level exactly. It is around 1.5 above, 1.5 level above, and around 1.18 level only. After that, it started to push down. So anyway, right now it's in this zone. Let us delete this and see what has BTC in the upcoming days. So I do not expect market pushing up in BTC. I'll be expecting market to just consolidate and push down. So breaking 107 is likely here. So keep an eye here. So this is what I'll be expecting in BTC. This level is mostly likely to taken off before any momentum happens here. So yeah, this was a good last week was a good week here, I hope. And remember, we do have next week's. I'll just show you that also, because do not forget that we do have next week's important factors coming out as usual. The core thing that you should keep an eye is over this area. We should keep an eye here, and as well as this one. So these two things should be kept an eye here. Next thing is, I forgot to say this is the main thing. This, and this. These are three factors that you should keep an eye here, mainly on USD. Okay. So I hope with this we'll conclude this week. Have a great week. Bye.